Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have a surprise! This thing. Okay guys, today we're going to be reviewing the ham. So yeah guys, you're asking what is this thing? It's called a ham. It's from a YouTuber called Haminations. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, there. So yeah, see this circle right here, that is his belly. And then this thing here is his mouth. These two dots are his eyes. These are his cheeks. But you know what I like? Look, Z for some ear. And also, I bought the limited edition version. This is limited edition. It's a big version. I didn't want to buy this. I bought the limited edition version. I waited over like a month to just get this thing. I heard it's super soft, so yeah. I didn't get the old one. I got the new one, the big one. The old one is tiny and the mouth is not open, but this one is much better. Boop. So yeah, let's open it. So we open him from here. Oh, yeah, we got him open. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, it's so soft. It's so soft. It's so soft. Look at it. It's so fluffy. It's so chubby. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the tongue and the little eyes. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna throw him. Yeet. Oh, ow. Oh no, it's upside down. Yeet. So yeah, look how adorable he is. I can sleep on this. Oh, I will see. It's so adorable. I love it. It's so cute. Look, he wants to. Do you know what it sounds like? You know what a ham sounds like? It sounds like this. Hey. It's got a baby voice. But yeah. So yeah, guys, he wants to give you a little kiss. Come closer. He wants to give you a little kiss. Oh, he's a nice ham. He's super adorable. He's also round, and he can stand. You gotta be kidding me. His fat butt can't stand up. Yeah, it can stand up. Isn't that adorable? He's so cute and fluffy. So yeah, guys, he's super round too. Oh no, he almost fell. Boop boop. So yeah. Let's see what Godzilla thinks about this. So yeah, where is Godzilla? I'll go get him, okay? You just wait here. I'll just get him. Just need. Oh, there is Godzilla. Where have you been? So yeah, I've been wondering where's Godzilla. So yeah, he's been gone for a few days. He's been feeling a bit sick. So yeah, let's see what he thinks about the ham. Oh, what is he doing? What is he doing? Oh my god! No! Ham! Ham! No! Why Godzilla? Bad Godzilla! Oh! No! Oh my god. Thank you, narrator. Thank you. So yeah. Don't throw it. Got it? He's right in the ham. Look, he's right in the ham. No. He's right in the ham. Yeah. He's right in the ham. Godzilla's right in the ham. So, yeah, guys. I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe. And also, I have a gaming channel. Don't forget, my gaming channel, you can watch me play games. And you can like and subscribe. And also hit the notification bell. Never miss a video ever. Or I will turn everything in your house to a ham. Okay? Okay, guys? You better like and subscribe to my gaming channel and my channel too, so you can never miss a video. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for more videos. Hey. Bye-bye.